Hey, how's it going guys? This is Ron and I'm back again with a brand new video here on my channel, Rock and Ron. So for today, we got a new awesome item for our channel. So this is a USB electric rotating display base. And we're going to unbox and review this for our channel, as well as showcase some items like my Gunpla kits and my RC cars. Alright, so the thing is, before we do that, I'm going to show you how to do a DIY rotating display base. Alright, so the thing is, as you've seen from my previous videos, I was able to showcase some of my items like my Gunpla kits and my RC cars on a rotating platform. And I'm going to show you how to build one. Alright, so first what you need is a fidget spinner and this metallic jar cover. Alright, so the thing is, this fidget spinner, I think this is the most basic design of fidget spinners out there. And the blue part is made of plastic, and the only thing made of metal here is the bearing in the middle and there's 3 weights on the other sides of the fidget spinner. So first what you need to do is you need to remove the middle part right here, which is the handle of the fidget spinner. And once you remove it, you can split it into 2. And you need only the other half, and then you need to glue it on the bearing on the fidget spinner. And secondly, what you need to do is you need to drill a hole in the middle so that you can screw this on the metallic jar cover. And this metallic jar cover, this will serve as the base platform for this rotating mechanism. Alright, so once you do that, this is how it will look like. And also what I did on the other side of the fidget spinner, I cut out some rubber pads, and this rubber pad will serve as a grip or some traction for the platform that you're going to put on the top of this rotating mechanism. Alright, so the thing is, what I've used on my previous videos is a whiteboard, and this is how it looks like. So all you need to do is to find the dead center here and then put the platform on the top of the rotating mechanism. And after that, you're good to go. You can control the rotation using your hands and fingers, and that's about it. Alright, awesome. Really easy to do, and all you need is, once again, a fidget spinner and a metallic jar cover. Alright, so that's about it. So now we're going to remove the contents of this box right here, and we're going to once again showcase my items using this electric USB rotating display base. And we're going to do a comparison between my DIY rotating display base and this electric powered rotating display base. Alright, awesome. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox and review this item right here. But first, let's go ahead and take a quick look on the box itself. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Alright, so it doesn't have a specific brand. All it says is 25B. I guess that's the name of the brand. It's made in China, and it has some description right here, speed key. So for the rotation speed, I think there's only 2 modes, low and fast, and that's about it. And you can also control the orientation of the rotation, may it be counterclockwise or clockwise. Alright, awesome. So on the picture right here, there's your interface, your Type-C port, USB Type-C, and on and off switch and speed controls. Alright, so yeah, this is how it looks like. It's color black. So the thing is, the top of the platform is actually a mirror, and I think that will be awesome because that will reflect some light coming from the top to the model that you're trying to showcase. And that will look more awesome on your Gunplas and your RC cars. And it shows right here, it will be able to handle 10 kilograms of weight, as it shows on the dumbbell on the top of the platform, and that is awesome. So I think 10 kilograms is impressive, and that is more enough for me to be able to showcase some of my Gunplas and my RC cars. Alright, so yeah, that's about it for the box, and now let's go ahead and remove the contents inside and see how it looked like. So the thing is, I choose the black version. Alright, some bubble wrap here, and that's about it, nothing else. Alright, so there you go. This is the actual platform, and this is the USB Type-C cable right here, and this is how it looks like. Alright, looks really awesome. Alright, so once again, a mirror on the platform. I think that will be useful for you to be able to reflect more light on your model. Alright, so I think there's some scratches right there. Also, I think that is the protective covering for this rotating display base. Let's go ahead and remove this right now. So I think this is alright, there you go. Alright, so mirror finish, and that's about it. So there's your USB port right there, on and off switch. So it doesn't actually have speed controls, but it's okay. So underneath this, there's your battery compartment, and there you have it. Oh, so the thing is, actually it doesn't it requires a huge battery, 1.5 volt battery. So all I have is AA batteries, but that's okay. We're going to use the USB charger instead to power this rotating display base. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and showcase some models here. Some of my Gunpla kits and my RC cars. And after that, just like I said, we're going to do a comparison between my DIY rotating display base and this electric USB rotating display base. Alright, awesome. Alright, so that wraps up my video for today for this rotating display bases. So in comparison between my DIY rotating display base versus the USB electronic display base, they're both okay, they're both awesome. They do have their own advantages and disadvantages. Like for example, on this electronic display base, you will have the benefit and convenience of uniform rotation, as well as you will have better lighting because of the mirrored surface on the platform, and it will make your models look more awesome. But the thing is, if you do have a round mirror for the DIY display base, then I will surely prefer this one instead, because with this one, you will have the benefit of you don't have to plug it on any power source. All you gotta do is to rotate it using your hand, and you're good to go. Alright, so they're both awesome. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the subscribe and the like button. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. So once again, this is Ron. Rock on, stay awesome, and have a good one.